Eh, pwede mo. Thumbs up. Ah.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the most between the local government unit of the City of San Fernando, Pampanga and the Essent Development Corporation.
Ano ba? Ay, natin na. Design. Okay, design pa.